Welcome to my review of MODX, one of the most flexible and customizable website builders out there. If you're looking for full control over your website design and functionality, MODX could be just what you need. From the moment you log into the MODX Manager, you're met with a clean and straightforward interface that gives you the power to build a website from scratch or enhance an existing one. The system is open source, meaning you can modify everything to suit your needs, which makes it a top choice for developers who value flexibility. The website builder's backend, known as MODX Manager, is where the magic happens. You can create and organize content easily using the built-in Content Management System (CMS). Whether you're working with simple text or more complex structures like galleries, forms, or custom templates, MODX handles it all. The content editing process is smooth and intuitive, and it doesn't require much technical knowledge to get started. What sets MODX apart is its flexibility. You're not tied to rigid templates or themes. Instead, you have the freedom to create your own layouts and add any functionality you need, whether it's via plugins, custom scripts, or integrating with third-party services. This makes MODX particularly attractive to developers who want to create a highly customized, professional-grade site. One of the main features that I love about MODX is its security. The platform regularly updates to address potential vulnerabilities, ensuring that your site stays safe. Additionally, MODX offers robust SEO tools that help you optimize your site for search engines without the need for external plugins. The learning curve for MODX can be a bit steep if you're a beginner, especially if you're used to more drag-and-drop website builders. But for those who have a technical background or are willing to put in the time to learn, the reward is worth it. MODX offers a lot of resources, including tutorials, documentation, and a supportive community, which makes it easier to get the hang of things. Now, if you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that will help you with additional tools and guides outside of the scope of this review. Overall, MODX is a powerful and highly flexible website builder perfect for developers who want full control over their site's design and functionality. If you're looking for a builder that lets you truly create a unique website without restrictions, MODX should be at the top of your list. Make sure to like this video if you found the review helpful and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth website builder reviews and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you've used MODX before or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.